Hi everybody, Derek here for Musical Journeys Through Cinema. Today I have with me this 18-pouch variety pack of Pedigree dog food. This particular pack comes with hearty chicken, slow-cooked beef, and bacon and filet mignon flavored. There are 6 packs of each, and they're made with real chicken and beef. This is what the box looks like on all sides. The back side comes with the ingredients for each, as well as feeding instructions. And then on the inside, this is what the food looks like. These are the pouches. I'll take a few of them out. You have the dog food inside full of each flavor. The blue one is the slow cooked beef. The red is the bacon and filet mignon. And you have the hearty chicken in the purple. My dog loves this brand. This is what we feed him the most of. He eats it for 3 packs a day pretty much. It's his favorite food to have. He loves all the flavors. And I highly recommend it for your dog as well. Each individual pack comes with ingredients and feeding instructions as well. And there you go.